Back with Macca Reardon, and we're here live at the Innovation Centre of the Sunshine Coast, and we're here with Luke. How are you doing today, Luke?
Hi Macca, how are you going today?
Yeah, I'm doing well. It's a lovely day today.
It's beautiful. Yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah. The birds are chirping and
That's
annoying
right.
everyone. So tell us a little bit about what you do.
Okay, so our company is called Kinetic Group Worldwide, and we're focused on improving the quality of the water that comes out of mining operations. So the watery waste streams that come from mining are called mine tailings, and our job is to bring new technologies that can help improve the management of those tailings, remove any contaminants or suspended particles or dissolved heavy metals or other contaminants that might lie in those tailings.
Okay. So this is this a device or?
It's a range of technologies. So we're working with collaborators, particularly at the University of Queensland and in the Sustainable Minerals Institute, to look at new technologies that could be applied in the mining's area to improve the quality of the water that's coming out of the mining operations. So one technology, for example, is called the hydrate membrane, and so it's a sort of a gelatinous material, and when you pour a sort of a dirty waste stream of water through it, over time it filters that waste stream into clean water and leaves the sort of fine particles of clays and other very difficult to separate particles on top of the hydrate membrane.
Okay. So are you more of a research and development type business working in this industry, or?
Well, we leave the sort of the primary research and development to other parties, and then we take their products at the point where they've got some sort of a product, and we say, well, what applications does it have, particularly in the mining area?
Yep.
Where can it be used? What would it costs be? How would it be applied compared to the existing technologies that are being used in that area? And then we promote it, we brand it, and we test it at a demonstration scale, and then hopefully bring it up to the point of sale of the product, as a service to the mining customers.
Great. And are you the founder of this?
Yes, I'm the founder of the Kinetic company. Yeah.
Awesome. And sort of let's go back in time a bit and tell us how this all started.
Okay, so a couple of years ago we bought some assets of a company called Kinetic.
Yep.
Unfortunately, we weren't really able to make a go of those. But then we looked at what we were doing with the University of Queensland, with the Sustainable Minerals Institute there, and some of our relationships there, and we decided to dig into those and see what that could yield in the way of business opportunities. And so we established some relationships there. We did some small pro bono projects there. We got to learn the university culture, and we got to establish some contacts with the commercialisation arm of the university called UniQuest, and we started to investigate some of their technologies. And we also put our feelers out to find some other technologies around the traps that can help in this sort of area as well. So the hydrate membrane was one of the products that we identified that could help in the mining space, and there are some other ones as well.
And this is all with a positive environmental focus to...
That's right. So the idea of this is to capture the tailings, to separate the solid portion from the water, and that can then enable the water to be recycled and reused within the mining operations. It can also mean that you can improve the management of the dry portion. So you can either reprocess that and extract more of the ores that might be trapped in there, or you can better process it and dispose of it as waste, for example, put it into an open pit that might have been generated through the mining operations.
Okay.
And you can also, I guess...
Can these minerals that you're extracting to make, to sort of clean it, can that be used for other stuff?
Yeah, hopefully. Like, for example, I mean, typically it depends on the type of mining that you're doing, but some of those mining operations you might well be able to use the drier byproduct in a compressed form. If it's out of coal, then you might be able to use it as a sort of a briquette, and then reduce the amount of coal mining that you might need to do, because a lot of the fine coals get trapped in the watery waste streams and then essentially can't can't be used in operations. And if you've got a lot of fine coals, that can be up to 20% of the coal is lost in those tailings streams.
Okay, fascinating stuff. And if our audience wants to reach out and sort of see what you're working on, where do they go to find you?
Okay, so they can Google Kinetic Group Worldwide. They can give us a call through the website, and we can show them some YouTube videos of the demonstration tests that we've done. We're always looking out for deeper contacts with the mining industry, of course, metalliferous and energy mining industry, and we're also looking to establish contacts with technology developers who may want to take a basic technology further and find a niche application or a broad application for it in the mining industry.
Awesome stuff. Thanks, Lou. And if any people in the mining industry or the technology space and that want to reach out to Luke, we'll pop some links in the description.
All right.
Awesome. Thanks for joining us.
All right. Thanks very much, Macca. Thanks for the opportunity.
Check her out.